Good morning to you here as our Wednesday, June 17th edition of the Carolina Weather Video is here, and lots to talk about regarding the heat and more heat to come. Let me start off though with a look from the Avalon Pier web camera here early on this Wednesday morning. Good looking scene there out over the Atlantic Ocean. The temperature, a lot of National Weather Service observations are out this morning, but most temperatures are sitting in the 70s. Again, pretty scene there with the sunrise there in the Outer Banks. What a hot day yesterday. Look at these numbers. A lot of these numbers are record highs across the region. In fact, let me run down some of the record highs. These are highs in terms of record highs that were either tied or broken across the region. Hit 102 in Fayetteville, 101 in Columbia, 100 in Wilmington, New Bern, and Augusta. Page 2 of the record highs that were tied or broken across the region. Raleigh 100, Charlotte 99, Greensboro 98, North Charleston at 98, Cape Hatteras at 93. It also was 96 degrees for a new record there at North Myrtle Beach. Yesterday in the Triad viewing area, there's our final numbers, mid and upper 90s out there as we went through our Tuesday. Charlotte area, very steamy out there once again. Hit 99 in Gastonia and Charlotte, 100 in Albemarle and Wadesboro, 98 in Rockingham, 95 in Shelby. All right, let's take a look at the radar perspective this morning. A couple showers up in Virginia and West Virginia. That's about as close by as they are to us here in the Carolinas. You have some areas of rain and storms in the Ohio Valley. But I think today a little better opportunity of a few showers and storms working in during the heating today. Now, you notice the heat advisory has gotten trimmed back just a little bit. It's southeastern North Carolina included in that heat advisory. Temperatures backing down just a bit over the northern half of North Carolina today. Not much, but a little bit. And again, this frontal boundary draped into the region will give us a little better chance of a few of these afternoon showers and storms today. The high-resolution modeling not showing much, but at least something out there. A few of us picking up a brief cooling afternoon or evening shower or storm, but again, I think most of us are going to be dry today. High temperature 100 in Fayetteville, 102 in Columbia, 95 in Greensboro and Raleigh, 97 in Charlotte this afternoon. Tomorrow, again, a few afternoon thunderstorms a possibility. Your Thursday highs still pretty hot across the region as the heat marches on. And Friday, guess what? More of the same. A few afternoon storms out there, and the heat continues to be in place. A lot of mid-90s in the Piedmont zones Friday afternoon. Let me give you the quick rundown of the weekend highs. There's Saturday's numbers for highs across the region. Here comes Sunday. And the heat begins to build back in again. Watch what happens after the upper level ridge we've had overhead begins to relax just a bit late this week. Watch what happens next week. It builds right back overhead. And that means the heat makes a return. Just for instance, this is next Tuesday. There you go. The heat back with us, and it looks quite hot next Wednesday and Thursday as well. So the heat, a significant weather factor, looks like right on through next week too. All right, tropical update time. Bill has been the topic of conversation. This is the last 24 hours of radar data. Bill made landfall on the Texas coast yesterday. And we've continued to see the remnants of Bill work further to the north up through Texas. As I'm cutting the video, rolling up I-35 between Austin and Dallas. Some active flood warnings and that persistent band of rain there in the eastern sections of Texas. Rain, certainly the continued issue with Bill. There's the European model rain totals, and you can just kind of follow the axis of heavier rain along the path of those remnants of Bill. And here's the RPM modeling futurecast. And well, looks like we lost the rainfall data. Let me see if I can get that back for us. There we go. There's the numbers from Futurecast, and it was around 8 inches of rain there in College Station, Texas, and 7.5 inches in Ardmore, Oklahoma. So certainly some flooding issues are quite likely along the path of the remnants there of Bill. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody stay cool, have a great day, and God bless.